Hello everyone, I am Dua, a consultant clinical psychologist and an OCD specialist. So today we'll be talking about anxiety, okay? How to calm anxiety. There's a moment when your heart starts racing for no clear reason. Your chest feels tight. Your thoughts won't slow down no matter what you tell yourself. Nothing seems to work. You try to distract yourself, you try to calm down, but it only gets worse. If you have ever felt like this video is for you. Because today I'm not just going to explain anxiety, I'm going to show you exactly how to calm it down fast. Not in theory, not in complicated terms, but in ways your mind and body actually understand. And by the end of this video, you will have real tools that you can use the next time anxiety takes over. And if you're feeling anxious right now, stay with me. We are going to calm your mind together. So, what anxiety really is? First, let's understand something important. Anxiety is now your enemy. It's your brain trying to protect you. Your nervous system has one job: to keep you safe. But sometimes it gets confused. It reacts to thoughts as if they are real danger. So your body goes into fight or flight mode. Your heart races, your breathing becomes shallow, your muscles tighten, and your thoughts speed up even if nothing is actually wrong. So when you feel anxious, your body is not broken. It's just overprotective. And here is the key. You don't calm anxiety by fighting it. You calm it by sending safety signals back to your body. That's what we're going to do the next. The technique number one is immediate calm. Right now, I want you to try something with me. Okay, I'm giving you 5 seconds to just settle down. This is one of the fastest way to calm anxiety, and this is called slow breathing reset. Now, I'm just giving you 5 seconds to just settle, and then we can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope we can start now. Now breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold for 2. 1 and 2. And then breathe out slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it together. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, do you notice something? Even slightly, your body begins to slow down. That's because your brain is receiving a message: we are safe. Okay, and when your exhale is longer than your inhale, you activate your calming system. So whenever anxiety spikes, don't try to control your thoughts first. Control your breathing. Your mind will follow your body. Now, technique number 2 is grounding that stops the spiral. When anxiety takes over, your mind leaves the present moment. It jumps into what if, and what if something goes wrong? What if this would happen? What if this would happen? Then what would I do? And there would be a lot of questions about what if. So to stop this, you bring your attention back to now and try this. Look around and name 5 things that you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 things that you can see. I hope that you have now sorted out that. Now 4 things that you can touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 3 things that you can hear. 1, 2, and 3. Now 2 things that you can smell. 1 and 2. Now 1 thing that you can feel inside your body. And this is called grounding. It interrupts the anxiety loop because anxiety lives in the future, but calm exists in the present. And technique number 3 is stop the thought spiral. Anxiety grows from thoughts like, what if I fail and what if something bad happens? But here's the truth. Thoughts are not facts, so instead of believing every anxious thought, ask yourself, is this 100% true? What evidence do you have? What's the much more balanced thought? Okay. For example, I'm going to mess this up. I'm nervous, but I can't handle this. So you're not forcing positivity, you're creating realistic thinking. Now, technique number 4. Accept instead of fight. There is something most people don't realize. The more you fight anxiety, the stronger it gets. So instead of saying, I need this to stop, try saying, it's okay to feel this, it will pass. And this reduces the fear of anxiety itself. Because often you are not just anxious about life, you're anxious about feeling anxious, okay? And acceptance breaks that cycle. Um, Actually, anxiety is more about future, journey. Like, I don't know what would happen next. I don't know what if this would happen. I don't know what would I do, and a lot of things would be like this. Okay, so you should be like, I need to stop this. Okay, this will pass. Okay, I'm fine. And just now start trusting yourself. Anxiety would keep you questioning yourself, and you would be like, you need reassurance from people, and these people can fed up from you very easily. Okay, and when someone would say something bad to you, so you'd be really upset regarding this. Okay, now technique number 5 is release it from your body. Anxiety is not just in your mind, it's in your body. Okay, so you need to release it physically, and try walking for 5 to 10 minutes, shaking out your hands, stretching your body, splashing cold water on your face, and this tells your nervous system that the danger is gone. Okay, and because the moment would give you a certain sort of relief. You might have seen some individuals who, when they are anxious, they start walking because they just need some sort of coping mechanisms for their body to get a relief. Okay, now I'm sharing a technique, and this might be helpful for some individuals. Okay, as you know that every individual is different. Generally, I make the therapeutic treatment plan according to every person's needs because everyone is unique. So I may modify it according to what their needs are, what their symptoms are, and everything. So it's like this. Now I'm sharing technique number 6 is called reset instant nervous system shift. When anxiety feels overwhelming, your body's overheated with stress signals. One of the fastest ways to interpret this is cold exposure. And try this. Splash cold water on your face. Hold an ice cube in your hand or place something cold on your back of your neck. This activates something called the diving reflex, okay, which immediately slows your heart rate. And it's like hitting a reset button on your nervous system. So, when anxiety spikes, suddenly use cold to calm your body fast. Now, technique number 7 is write it out. empty your mind. Sometimes anxiety builds because your thoughts are trapped inside. Okay, and your mind keeps repeating the same loop over and over again. So instead of keeping it in your head, take a pen and write everything down. And don't organize it, don't filter it, just let it out. What am I worried about and what am I afraid will happen? And when you see your thoughts on paper, they lose intensity because now you're observing them instead of being controlled by them. And that technique number 8 is the delay the worry. Okay, that is something very powerful. You don't need to solve anxiety right now. Okay, tell yourself, I will think about this later. Set a time, maybe 20 minutes in the evening, and this is called worry scheduling. And it works because it gives your brain reassurance and it stops causing overthinking. Most of the time, when that worry comes, you don't even feel the same urgency anymore because anxiety fades when you don't feed it instantly. And even in OCD, people they really feel that when they are having certain obsessions and they are getting those thoughts and they feel like, okay, I have to implement on this thought, and that is they create anxiety in themselves, and that is why the compulsions would take place. So if you would keep on saying like, okay, if I'm having these thoughts, if I'm getting anxious, what if I can delay this, I cannot think about it, I don't have time for this. When you would give it less time, when you would not pay so much attention to that, the thought can be very minimal. You would give a really minimal attention to that. It won't be of that high intensity. Okay, and it won't cause any harder for you, so you can skip that thought, and you know that, okay, if I don't implement on this thing, if I don't think about it, still I'm very relieved and I can do a lot of things on my own. But with that, deep breathing is very important. Okay, and then just trust yourself. Okay, talk to yourself like someone you love. Notice how harsh your inner voice becomes during anxiety. Okay, what's wrong with me, why can't I handle this now? Imagine saying this to someone you care about. You wouldn't instead change your tone. It's okay, this is hard, but I can get through it. Now I have handled these things before and I'll handle this too. So this is called self-soothing, and it sends a powerful message to your brain that I'm supported. What even if that support comes from you? If you guys need, so you guys can approach for professional support, and if you guys need therapeutic sessions, you guys can let me know. We can have it online as well. But if you guys don't have anyone around you, so you can do that this technique for yourself, because you are your true friend. Because even your friends can ditch you anytime. The more you share your stuff with them, they can use it for you, for bad purposes. They can manipulate it, and then it is bad for you. So it is better that you can reassure yourself. So now shift your focus. Anxiety feeds on attention. The more you focus on it, the stronger it becomes. So instead of trying to stop anxiety, generally focus on shift your focus. Do something simple but engaging, like count backwards from 100 and listen deeply to a sound. Focus on task in front of you, and you are avoiding anxiety. You are redirecting your brain that breaks the cycle. So now you have something powerful, not just understanding, but real tools, things you can actually do when anxiety feels out of control. And you have been struggling with this so long. Here is something important. You need to hear this, okay? And you are not alone. Don't feel that you are alone. Okay, you are not alone in this. Okay, if you struggle with anxiety, you might feel like, why am I like this? Why can't I just be normal? But listen carefully. There is nothing wrong with you. Your mind learned to protect you this way. And now you are learning a new way to feel safe that takes place and that takes patience, and you are already on that path. You are just being here. The next time anxiety shows up, don't panic. Take a pause and breathe slowly. Ground yourself. Question your thoughts and accept the feeling, and move your body. You don't need to eliminate anxiety completely, you just need to learn how to respond to it differently. And every time you do, every time you power back, as if no one told you this today, you were safe, you are in control, and take this feeling and this feeling will pass. So take a slow breath right now and you are okay. Okay. So if you need guys needs any proper therapy and proper therapeutic sessions are also necessary. So if you guys want to share this with me, you guys can let me know in the comment section your email address. We can get connected and I'll send you the details and we can have an online and therapeutic sessions as well. And if you guys like the video, please do share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe me, do commenting below, like it and share it with your friends. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care everyone. Goodbye.